We start making a standard emulsion that you can use as a basic binder for any vegetarian processed product, not only sausages. What do we need? We need a bowl chopper and 5 ingredients. On the right, we see 2 meatless textured frozen products, one based on fava beans, one based on rice. You can either use products based on whole food flour for a low processed quality, or protein concentrates for a higher protein level. On the left, we see 2 trays containing a meatless binding system, and in the back, a tray containing oil. The large can is filled with water. We start putting both the meatless TRF, textured rice flake, and TFF, textured fava bean flake, in the bowl chopper. We use a combination which can be varied. Rice we use for an excellent fat replacement, a nice soft taste which gives you a fatty sensation. Fava bean gives you more bite and a stronger texture. You can directly add the water and the oil to the meatless flakes. Now bowl chop at high speed until you get a fine milky fluid. Then add the binder slowly. And bowl chop until you have a sticky, strong, and firm paste. In a very simple way, you made an emulsion usable for sausage, meatballs, fricandel, or any other processed product. It contains just one E number, and you can vary strongness of the paste, bite, and mouthfeel by varying rice and fava bean raw materials, or adjusting the amount of binder in the emulsion. It contains no more than 4% fat. We start in the same way we started making the emulsion, but we have some more ingredients now. On the right and central, we see 3 meatless textured frozen products: fava bean white, rice white, and fava bean brown. On the left, you see 2 trays of warm binding system and 1 tray of cold binding system. Behind the binders, you see a tray with spices and salt for taste. In the left can and the back, we have meatless TRF, rice flakes soaked in oil. This combination gives you an excellent replacement for coconut oil or palm oil. The middle can is oil, and the right can contains water. We start putting the white varieties of meatless TRF, textured rice flake, and TFF, textured fava bean flake, in the bowl chopper. Directly add the water and the oil to the meatless flakes. Also, the in-oil soaked rice fibers are added. Like we did making the standard emulsion, we bowl chop the fibers at a higher speed until we get a smooth, milky substance. Now add the binders, both warm and cold. And add the spices and slowly bowl chop until you have a sticky, strong, and firm paste. Put the bowl chopper into the mixing position and add the meatless brown textured fava bean flakes. In the video, we use part white and part brown. Using different colors and coarsities, one can influence the view and color of the final sausage. By bowl chopping faster or longer, you can make a finer or coarser paste, which influences the final appearance of the sausage. Of course, you have to find out the exact adjustments, as these are depending on the type of bowl chopper you use and of the appearance you want in your product. So here we have a sausage paste that we can adjust by differing the amount of binder to make it softer, bring in more juiciness or firmness, vary the color and appearance by using different textures. It is a very flexible system with lots of possibilities to tweak and give your own twist to it. This bratwurst has not more than 8% fat and is juicy, elastic, and firm like a meat-type sausage. This production can be used for all cooked sausages, like Dutch Knockwurst, German Fleischwurst, and many, many more. There are different solutions for casings for vegan sausages. An alginate system could be a solution, casings based on starches, or what we have chosen in this video, plastic casing. For peeling, we advise a steam peel machine which works excellent. A peeling machine propelled by pressured air is less effective, as the casing can be very strongly attached to the paste. Processing warm can help the peeling. Similar to the bratwurst type, we make a white paste now, usable for Knockwurst, bockwurst, currywurst, hot dogs, etc. We start again with the ingredients which are similar to the bratwurst, except that they are all white now. In the back, there is the soaked rice fibers in oil again, water and oil. On the left, we see binders and spices, both cold binder, front, and warm binder, middle. And the bigger trays contain meatless textured products based on rice, TRF, and fava bean, TFF. You will see a similar process now to the bratwurst and emulsion. This Knockwurst process demonstrates how flexible the system is, and the replication will make you familiar with the details in the process. Again, we start with putting the textured meatless flakes in the bowl chopper. As we don't want a coarse appearance, we put more of the textured product in the bowl chopper at the beginning of the process. The flakes are now bowl chopped for a short time. Water and oil are added, and you can see that the flakes are still crumbly. The soaked rice fibers are also added in the bowl chopper. Now we bowl chop again a short time at high speed. As the binders are not added yet, you will get a white slurry in the bowl chopper. Now the binders are added to the process. The last one is the cold binder. This is the most expensive part of the binding system, but it is necessary to make the sausage easy to peel and to be able to vacuum pack the sausages without deforming. As a last addition, the spices and salt are added in the bowl chopper. You now see that the paste is becoming a smooth emulsion, sticky and stable to be filled. Thank you for watching this video on plant-based sausage making. If you want more information, visit our website at www.meatless.nl and send us an email or give us a call. We will be happy to help you with any problem in vegetarian or vegan production, and we can provide you with unique textured products and technology to improve your plant-based products.